Each of you received a roll of filament along with your printer. This plastic is PLA, polylactic acid. It's a biomaterial. It's not petroleum-based, so it's non-toxic and it's biodegradable. PLA is also a good material to learn to 3D print with because it's fairly easy to use and the results come out well without having to do too much tinkering. Just know that there are other types of filament. There's flexible filament, there's PETG, ABS, all kinds of different specialty filaments. But for this class, we're going to stick with PLA. You'll also notice that this bag is vacuum sealed and that there's a desiccant packet inside. That's because PLA will absorb moisture from the air. So when you're not using it, you want to make sure to keep it sealed in an airtight container with the desiccant packet included. Especially if the weather starts to get more humid, then you really want to make sure that you keep it sealed. The bag it comes with is not resealable, but you can use a standard gallon Ziploc bag to store your filament when not in use. To open the bag, I'll just break the seal and throw the old bag away. Keep the desiccant packet so that when we're done with the filament, we'll put the roll back in the Ziploc bag, including the desiccant, and then seal it up. So I'm going to go ahead and put my desiccant packet in my bag right now, so it's ready for later.